Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by finding the official notification about the suspension in your email. Check your account email and page support inbox within 30 days for official notices. Open the message and note the cited policy sections and any example posts. Review the Facebook page policy and adds policy updates for 2025 changes so you understand current rules. Next, gather evidence by collecting screenshots and timestamps for the last 7 days of page activity. Save post URLs, comment threads, and compose a concise appeal that explains what happened and what you changed to comply. Draft a concise appeal explaining corrective steps and policy compliance. Use simple language and avoid emotional arguments or long narratives. Attach your evidence files including screenshots, post URLs, and admin action logs to support your case. Attach collected screenshots, post URLs, and admin action logs to support your case. Submit the appeal through page support and check responses every 24 to 48 hours. After submitting the appeal, immediately remove or edit flagged posts to show good faith. Remove or edit flagged posts and set a 30-day review schedule for new content. Establish a moderation workflow and schedule a 30-day review period for all new posts. Enable two-factor authentication and limit admin roles to trusted accounts only. Document all changes in a simple log and monitor page, insights weekly for unusual spikes that could trigger future suspensions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.